Welcome to a new video. Oldu mu? Heh. Merhaba. Ne kadar tatlısın sen, ha?
Anladım. Geriye çıktı aşağı indi.
Boars. That's insane. Oh my god, taste test. That's good salad. Damn.
Tavamız yanıyor.
Bağlandı galiba.
Ne diyorsunuz? Ne diyorsunuz? Alü. Alü. Ü. Alü. Ne?
O ne?
Aprikosen marmelade. He. Ne?
Tatlı gözüküyor.
Marmelade. Ne güzel. Yenmez mi? Allah. Bayram ediyor şu an.
Currently in our family farm, we're sitting here and making our own bread. I'm getting right now the recipe just to make it at home, or at least try to make it at home. And it's so delicious. It's best thing on earth, not gonna lie. Because me and my brother, we ate this up with Nutella and what we can found and just put it in and devoured it so bad because it was so tasteful. This bread is my childhood, so Basically, I'm really glad that I'm sitting here right now and getting the recipe from my grandma. Yay!
Allah nasip ederse cumartesi günü olacak.
Ha mesela bu
İkinci kat, ikinci kat, üçüncü kat, birinci kat. Anladın mı? Öyleymiş. Öyle mi?
Şekilde takılır, belinize göre ayarlanır ve tekrar açılır. 8 adet acil çıkış kapısı bulunmaktadır. Acil bir durum yaşanması durumunda uçakta
So, I am back from Turkey, like I said before, 100 times. I've been back already. It's been now past a month. I'm sitting here and cutting the last video, and it's just not sad. I have my TV on. Okay. Um, it's not sad or anything, it's just I've been not there since a long time, seriously. It's been really not rough, but trying to find a connection to a place that you didn't see for a long time is weird because you have such many memories there, and cutting the last video was just a nostalgic thing for me personally, because I've been growing up and had memories all with my past grandpa. It's just emotional. Like feeling the feelings that I felt before, especially there, is something I never expected to have at the start of 2026. So it was a nice kind of a gift, or actually moment that I can cherish, because I don't think more often about my grandpa as I should. And I'm kind of sad about that because it's a past person who really helped me, and even though I was like sometimes really shy, my grandpa always helped me out and said, go out, see the world, and whatever. And, being especially in my home farm and knowing that he took me everywhere with him and my brother, and he always taught us how to drive a trailer that you saw in the video is that blue thing. I don't know what you call that, but yeah, I kind of felt really home. And I hope you liked the video. I hope you kind of saw a bit of the journey where I've been headed all the time. I didn't talk much because I didn't want to yep all the time. So, yeah, sitting here and cutting the last video, really nice way to end the holiday that I had. Please leave a subscription and follow and like that video. Wait up, because I will be continuing with another project, because I'm kind of not knowing where I'm heading with these videos or with this channel in general, so I'm experimenting so many things right now. But stay tuned, because the next one is really really much sweat and painful moments, but enjoying I was enjoying it. You will see about that. You will see. So if you are kind of curious what I'm doing right now, stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys, because I actually enjoyed that video really much, making it already, because I was like standing there, and you will see. So many times I'm spoiling it. Okay. Bye bye.